Hi and welcome to Client School once again. Today we're going to talk about mediation. In the state of Utah, mediation is required of every divorcing party before you can go to trial. Now, most cases do settle. Not all cases must settle in mediation. Not every case will settle in mediation, but mediation is a big part of it. Here's the problem. A lot of cases that settle in mediation shouldn't have settled. Why? Because the parties gave up and basically settled through exhaustion or by being guilted into it by either the lawyer, the court, the mediator, or some combination of those people. Keep this in mind. Mediation works for people that want to deal with each other fairly. And while reasonable minds can differ, if both of you have as your mutual goal trying to be fair, trying to save time, trying to save money, you will more than likely reach an agreement both of you recognize as fair, and you'll do it relatively quickly. But if you've got a spouse that doesn't trust you or that you don't trust, someone who's malicious and someone who's trying to take advantage of you, you'd be a fool to think that mediation is going to work. Now, sometimes mediation ends up making an unfair, malicious person into a good person, but don't count on it. So if your mediation is going on for hour after hour and you're not making any progress, despite what your lawyer might say or what the mediator might say, just quit. You don't have to keep working on a mediation that's failing. The mediator might try to convince you to keep going because the longer you stay in mediation, the more money that mediator makes. Your lawyer may tell you to keep trying mediation because your lawyer sees you're running out of your retainer. You can't pay him or her anymore, so they want to tie everything up neatly with a bow and move on to the next client. If you get that sensation, or this is the first time that ever occurred to you, now forewarned is forearmed. Thanks for coming to Client School. We hope to see you again.